Next mystery box. A Singer case. Some art on it. This is a Stylist 534. It's got a couple tight spots in it, so maybe this one has stripped gears or something. Top looks okay. Oh. Drive belt is the timing belt from the top to bottom on this machine is real crunchy looking. Oh yeah, and the gears are all stripped out of the bottom of this, so you've seen me do these gears before. Not a hard sell, but the belt, the timing belt for top to bottom on this machine is rotted out and very visibly damaged. So I'm gonna have a pass on fixing this, I think, because this belt, to replace it, you gotta pull the whole shaft out to get it on the other end here. So with that belt rotted out, this machine is not worth fussing with because I don't want to pull that whole shaft out.